Hello little friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn Barakhadi from Ta to Na, and thereafter we will play fun activities so that you can remember them easily and also boost your recognition skill. So stay with us till the end of the video and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's begin with the Barakhadi of Ta and repeat after me. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, te, tai, to, tau, tan, taha. After ta comes tha. Tha se thela. Tha, tha, thi, thi, thu, tu, the, thai, tho, thau, than, thaha. The next letter after tha is da. Da se damru. Da, da, di, di, du, du, de, dai, do, dau, dan, daha. The next alphabet is Dha. Dha se dhakkan. Dha, dha, di, di, dhu, du, de, dhai, do, dhau, dhan, daha. Right next to Dha is Na. Na se khali. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, nai, no, now, nan, naha. That's great! Well done! To revise Barakhadi, let's do some super fun activities. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay. Activity 1. Guess what comes after this? That means दिए गए प्रश्नों में बाद में आने वाले बाराखड़ी लिखिए. For example, let's solve the first one together. Here in the question, we need to find what comes after ta in the Barakhadi sequence. Think over it. Yes, ta के बाद आता है t. You are correct. Hope you got it. Now let's do the second one. Now it's your turn. What comes after the? Think of next sound in Barakhadi after the. That's right. It's thai. Now let's try third one. नहीं के बाद क्या आता है? No. Good, you are doing well. Now let's try the fourth one. In fourth one, what comes after do? Yes, you are correct. Dhau. Well done. Now let's do the second activity. Here you have to find what comes in between this, which means दिए गए बाराखड़ी के बीच में आने वाले बाराखड़ी लिखिए. First one is what comes between do and te. Yes, you are correct. Do. Let's do the second one. What comes between the and tho? Just think of Barakhadi sequence. Yes, you are correct. That is thai. What should be the answer for the third one? Take your own time. D. Correct. What about the fourth one? जरा सोचो क्या आएगा? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It is nai. Wow, you are done well. Now let's move to the third activity. Here in this activity, we need to find what comes before this. That means दिए गए बाराखड़ी के पहले कौन सा बाराखड़ी आता है? Are you ready? The first question is what comes before to? Yes, you are correct. It is tai. Second question, what comes before tha? Use your smart brain. Yes, it is tha. Let's do the third one. What comes before ni? Take your own time. Yes, you are correct. It is tha. But what about fourth one? What comes before ni? I believe in you. You can do it. Yes, you are correct. It's ni. Wow, you all did an amazing job. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to play more Barakhadi games, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye.